Today, I'm going to show you how to make a wrinkle under eyes treatment that it will help you to reduce the appearance of fine lines under your eyes, and it will hydrate the entire under eye area to prevent wrinkles from getting more deep. All the ingredients are natural, so if you want to learn how to make this treatment, stay tuned. First step is to boil 2 cups of water and then add 1 tea bag of chamomile oil and let it sit for 2 minutes. When it looks like this, it means it's ready to be added 2 teaspoons of agar powder. Mix it very well until it looks crystal clear and let it cool down for about 5 minutes before stirring it into a container. Once the mix is easy to touch, what I mean with this, you can put some on your hands and it feels comfortable. Add half a spoon of coconut oil and a cup of vitamin E into the mixer. As you know, coconut oil is an effective moisturizer for this specific area, which it will help you to minimize the fine lines, and vitamin E is another excellent oil that it will provide you with enough antioxidants that fight back any signs of aging. Now begin to apply under your eye area or any area around your eyes that you want to treat. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. You'll start noticing that it's getting a little bit solid, but it's okay. It's a very gentle on the eye area. Remove carefully after the 10 minutes, and this is up to you if you want to rinse it or not. This is all I have for today. If you like this wrinkle eye treatment, please let me know in the comments below. Maybe you have a different natural way to treat wrinkles under your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this video, so you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you on Friday. Pura Vida!